In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn from ElevenLabs in 5 minutes. If you're looking to monetize your skills using ElevenLabs platform, you've come to the right place. I'm here to guide you through each step of this rewarding process. So, let's dive in. To get started, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable with. Once you have your browser open, simply go to your search bar and type in ElevenLabs. You'll then find the official website in your search results. Click on the link and log in with your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you can easily create one by following the sign-up process. After logging in, ensure that you're on the Creator Plan. This subscription is priced at $20 per month and is a necessary requirement for accessing the earning capabilities on the platform. Being on the Creator Plan makes you eligible to monetize your creations, so it's essential to subscribe to it if you're serious about generating income here. Next, you'll need to set up a Stripe Connect account for payments. If you already have an account, you can simply connect it to ElevenLabs. But if you're new to Stripe, don't worry. You can quickly register following the prompts provided. Stripe Connect is a reliable and secure way to handle your payments, making the process smooth and hassle-free. Now, let's move on to the creative part, recording your voice. It's crucial to have at least 30 minutes of audio recorded. However, for better quality and more opportunities, aim to record between 2 to 3 hours of varied audio. This could be anything from reading articles, narrating scripts, or telling stories in your voice. Once your recordings are ready, upload them using the voice clone feature available on the platform. This tool allows ElevenLabs to create a digital replica of your voice, which will be crucial for future steps. With your voice clone set up, it's now time to enable financial rewards for your voice. You achieve this by sharing your voice clone in the Voice Library, which is the hub where others can find and purchase the use of your voice. This is where the monetization happens, as users can choose your voice for their projects and pay for its usage. Finally, unleash the potential of your voice clone by using it in digital products. Your voice can bring life to audiobooks, short stories, and more. This not only expands your income streams, but also showcases your creativity to a broader audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're on your way to earning with ElevenLabs. It's simple, rewarding, and a fantastic avenue for creative expression. So go ahead, try these steps, and watch as your passion for voice work transforms into a thriving endeavor.